Hi, in this video we look at the drilling toolpaths available in CNC-Calc. So we're going to go into the editor and just make sure that CNC-Calc is enabled. So we go into the global setup, plugins, and just make sure that there's no tick in the disable CNC-Calc checkbox. We're going to go to the CNC-Calc tab and load in our drawing, tutorial 1. Okay, now on this part we're going to change the datum for the machining to the lower left corner of the part. So we're going to set the X first, and we're going to use the snap to end point to go to the end of this vertical line, and that sets the X, and then we click on Y and snap to the end of this line. Doing that way we can pick up the intersection of the two lines rather than trying to do both at the same time. I just check to make sure that we're on ISO milling, and we go into the drill toolpaths. So we're just going to put a comment in drilling, and this will appear in the G code. We go to the drill parameters, and we can see that we have the different cycles available to us. So we're going to use peck drilling here. And so these are some of the other cycles. Export whole coordinates. That will just take the X and Y positions out to the editor, which can be useful for some machines. So we're going to enter our retract plane, absolute, 10, safe distance, we can have incremental or absolute. Reference plane, absolute, and the depth that we're going to drill to, down to -7. The feed rate for the Z moves, and the peck amount, or the first depth of 1. Click on OK. Now we pick up our drill points, and we're going to use the snap to center points. So we can either click the circles, or you can move the cursor into the center of the circle and it would snap. Now we're going to export this code to the editor, and you can see our drill cycle, CAM drill cycle G83.